Oh, that was sweet. So what's the trick?
Well, there's just several things that I'm doing here. So one, my leader's got to be slightly shorter. If I'm using with any regularity, my leader needs to be slightly shorter than the rod is long.
Okay.
Because I want that knot out of the tip top.
Got it.
Right? I don't want the weight of the fish having to pull that knot out of there. So generally, this is just a little bit longer than I would normally use. My setup position is here. I don't bend the rod by pulling, I bend the rod by extending.
That's great. Okay, so you're extending your rod to the right.
Yeah, I'm extending. So that's what's creating the bend, not the pull.
Got it.
But the extension.
Got it. All right.
Yeah, I think there's one up there along that rock there. Now here's the key though, when I'm in the trees, the key to getting it back is to keep the rod tip pointing straight up river.
Okay.
The fly always comes back to me that way. As soon as I lift my rod tip, it pulls it away from me.
Good stuff. Those are
that was in there deep.
perfect casts.
But I gotta tell you, I was impressed with your skip cast. That's a good one. This allows me to gain a little deeper intimacy. And actually, we've learned how to like hook the fish, play it, and land it without the rod ever coming out of the water.
Nice.
Right? The whole action is underneath. The deeper into the trees you can penetrate, the bigger the fish is going to get.
Oh man. Oh, God, he ate it.